Here's what you should do when Bluetooth doesn't show up on Windows. The quickest fix, and one that worked for nearly half of the affected users, is performing a full PC shutdown. It's different from a regular shutdown because it fully powers off the system and forces Windows to reload all drivers fresh on the next startup. To perform a full system shutdown, press the Windows key, click Power, then hold the Shift key and select Shutdown. Keep holding the Shift key until the PC completely powers off. For best results, disconnect the power cord and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn on your PC and check if the Bluetooth option is back. If the Bluetooth option still doesn't show up, the next step is to reinstall its driver. To do that, press Windows and X keys and select Device Manager. At the top, click the View menu and choose Show Hidden Devices. Now expand the Bluetooth entry. Right-click on the grayed-out Bluetooth adapter and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device, then click Uninstall to confirm. Finally, restart the computer, and Windows will automatically install a fresh copy of the driver. Next up, we will run the critical Bluetooth services. Press the Windows key, type Services, and click the top result. Now scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it and select Restart. If it's not running, click Start instead. Then double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Apply and OK. If you see Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service or Bluetooth User Support Service, restart those too. If Bluetooth still isn't showing up, Fast Startup could be the culprit. Fast Startup is designed to make your PC boot faster. But here's the catch. It doesn't fully shut down Windows. Instead, it saves parts of the system, including drivers, in a hibernated state. So if the Bluetooth driver has glitched out, Fast Startup just reloads that same broken state every time you turn on your PC. That's why turning it off often fixes missing Bluetooth issues. To disable Fast Startup, press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. Next, go to Hardware and Sound, then under Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do. Now click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, you'll see an option that says Turn on Fast Startup. Uncheck that box and then click Save Changes. Once done, restart your PC and check if the Bluetooth option is back. Lastly, check if Bluetooth is disabled in the BIOS. Most computers have an option there to enable or disable Bluetooth, but the exact location varies by manufacturer. For example, on my Dell laptop, I found the Bluetooth checkbox under the Connections tab. On your PC, it might be listed under Advanced Settings or a similar section. If you're unsure, visit your manufacturer's website for the exact steps to enable Bluetooth in the BIOS. And one quick note, while you're in the BIOS, don't change any other settings. Tweaking the wrong option could affect your system in ways you don't want. If nothing has worked so far, your Bluetooth adapter might be faulty or outdated. Old adapters often lose support for modern devices, and some stop showing up in Device Manager altogether. The best fix is to get a new Bluetooth adapter. Look for one with Bluetooth 5.0 or newer. They're faster, more stable, and work perfectly with Windows 11. I've added a few trusted options in the video description. They're top-rated on Amazon, affordable, and plug-and-play, so Windows will auto-install the drivers once you connect them. After plugging it in, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and you should see the toggle appear right away. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.